Homemade coffee cream cheese spread recipe, delicious breakfast spread. Hey there, coffee and cream cheese lovers. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a delectable treat in store for you, our homemade coffee cream cheese spread recipe. It's the perfect way to elevate your morning bagel or toast. So, grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. Ingredients. 8 ounces, about 1 cup, of cream cheese, softened. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules. 2 tablespoons of hot water. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Optional. Chocolate chips, for extra indulgence. Your choice of bread or bagels for serving. Instructions. Step 1. Dissolve coffee in a small bowl. Combine 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules with 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir until the coffee granules are completely dissolved. This will give our spread that rich coffee flavor. Step 2. Cream cheese base in a mixing bowl. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Whip the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Step 3. Coffee infusion. Pour the dissolved coffee into the whipped cream cheese mixture. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until it's well combined and creamy. Step 4. Optional chocolate chips for an extra layer of flavor. Feel free to fold in some chocolate chips. Step 5. Chill. Transfer the coffee cream cheese spread into an airtight container. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the spread to thicken. Alright, our coffee cream cheese spread is ready to go. Now, let's put it to good use. Toast your favorite bagel or slices of bread. Spread a generous amount of our creamy coffee-infused goodness onto your bread. This coffee cream cheese spread is perfect for a quick breakfast or brunch. It combines the rich flavor of coffee with the creaminess of cream cheese for a truly indulgent treat. You can customize this recipe by adding a dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of caramel sauce for even more flavor. It's a versatile spread that will surely impress your family and friends. And there you have it, our homemade coffee cream cheese spread recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Miss Coffee Baby for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy your coffee-filled creation. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.